The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the latest flagship smartphone from Samsung, offering a premium design, powerful performance, and a stunning camera. Here are some of the best features that make this phone stand out from the crowd. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features a titanium frame, which is stronger and lighter than aluminum or glass. Titanium is also more resistant to scratches, dents, and corrosion, making the phone more durable and elegant. The phone comes in 4 colors: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X flat display, which delivers vivid colors, deep blacks, and high brightness up to 2600 nits. The display supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and gaming smoother and more responsive. The display also has a QHD+ resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, which offers sharp details and clarity. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Armor, which is the toughest glass ever on a smartphone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which is the most advanced processor from Qualcomm. The chip is based on a 4nm process, which improves performance and efficiency. The chip has an octa-core CPU, which can reach up to 3.3 GHz, and an Adreno 750 GPU, which can handle graphics-intensive tasks. The chip also supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and UWB, ultra-wideband technology. Samsung will provide 7 years of software updates to the S24 lineup. This means the S24 will continue to get software updates until 2031, which is insane. This move echoes Google's recent announcement for their Pixel 8 lineup, pushing the industry standard to new height. The Galaxy S24 Ultra brings exciting upgrades to its zooming game, making it a true powerhouse for capturing stunning visuals. Smooth zoom eliminates those abrupt jumps in quality when filming videos. Instead, it seamlessly blends between the phone's multiple lenses, likely 1x, 3x, and 10x, as you zoom in or out, resulting in smooth, cinematic footage with transition between lenses. Gone are the days of struggling to identify objects or landmarks in photos or videos. With Circle to Search, simply long press on the home button and draw a circle around anything on your screen. The Galaxy AI will instantly search Google and present you with relevant information, whether it's the name of a flower, the history of a building, or even the cast of a movie playing in the background. Feeling overwhelmed by lengthy articles or texts? The Galaxy S24 Ultra's AI can now summarize them for you, extracting the key points and saving you precious time. You can choose different levels of detail, from a quick overview to a more in-depth analysis. No more struggling to sift through dense information. The AI will do the heavy lifting for you. Communication is key, but what if language barriers get in the way? The Galaxy S24 Ultra's real-time call translation feature is here to help. It can translate conversations in real time, making it possible to have seamless communication with anyone, regardless of their native language. Whether you're catching up with family abroad or conducting business across borders, the AI will bridge the gap and ensure smooth communication. Want to enhance your photos without the hassle of complex editing tools? The AI Gentle feature takes the guesswork out of photo editing. Simply tap the star icon in the photo editor, and the AI will automatically adjust things like brightness, contrast, and color balance. You can even straighten horizons, remove unwanted objects, and fill in missing parts of the image. With AI Gentle, you can create stunning edits with just a few clicks. Note Assist is a feature that makes taking notes easier and faster. It uses AI to format your notes into a clear, easy-to-review summary. You can simply start writing with the S Pen or the keyboard, and Note Assist will automatically organize your notes into bullet points, headings, and subheadings. Note Assist also lets you add images, voice recordings, and web links to your notes,